Welcome everyone to part 5 of making a prom dress with me. So we went ahead and picked out which exact zipper we wanted, which was the light blue one. So now is me working on I guess you could say the extra panels for the train because I wanted it to be wider. So I kind of almost forgot that I needed to sew that. So this is the part that I'm taking out, figuring out which one's the top, figuring out how it's going to lay, which I'm showing you right here. The two panels is going to be on the side where you see the fabric is kind of open. That's where I'm going to put those two pieces of fabric just to kind of make it more wide. So basically the same thing, sewing the two sides together, making sure that everything is aligned, and just kind of just repeating myself, just doing the front, sewing the front of the dress to the back of the dress that connects to the side panels. I'm hoping that I made sense by what I just said. So right here I kind of did make a little oopsie. So basically I realized that I sewed that panel on a little too prematurely because I need to put on the zipper first before I completely sewed that one side down, which is the side that has like the lower fabric that goes underneath the arms. The side that I'm showing right now, I didn't want to sew that part down yet, and I started already sewing the train on that one. So I took that seam off so that way I could see how everything lays before I add my zipper. So that's what I'm doing right now. And honestly, I'm liking the way that this is looking so far. I mean, it's almost a perfect fit on the mannequin. I might just have to tweak it a little bit, considering the fact that I'm not putting it on this mannequin per se. I mean, this mannequin was just like the beginning stages to kind of match the, I guess you could say, nude color mannequin that I have. But so far, everything is looking pretty good. I like it how the fit is looking. Here is the dress before I put the zipper on, looking fabulous. Now the fun part, adding the invisible zipper. I don't know if anybody, I'm pretty sure you guys know how to put on invisible zippers, but if you don't, just let me know. I can make a separate video on how to do that, but I'm just pinning everything down, making sure that I get it to where I need to go. And then of course you got to change your zipper foot to you got to change your presser foot to a zipper foot, which is what I'm doing right now. I like this type of zipper foot only because I feel like it helps with separating this, the metal piece without having to, the coil piece without having to press it down. Because usually with invisible zippers, you're going to have to press it down first, depending on what type of zipper foot you have. But this one specifically, I don't need to do that. So it worked really well in my favor. So that's what I did, I just sewed it how I needed to sew it. And yeah, I'm just repeating it myself once again. It's pretty self-explanatory, doing one zipper to the other side. Now it's just me making sure that everything is zipping up correctly, which it does, so thank God. So now I'm adding a separate different zipper foot. This helps me get a little bit closer to the edge so that way I can enclose it, just making sure that the hole at the bottom of it is not visible, which is what you're going to see here now. You can see that everything is closed up, and all that's left for me to do is completely sew that one side down all the way down to the end, which is what I was speaking about earlier, where I didn't want to sew down first because I needed to sew the zipper down. So now that the zipper is on, that's exactly what I'm doing. So now I'm just putting it on the mannequin, making sure that everything fits good, or just making sure that what I did is not being lopsided or anything, which it didn't, thank God. So right here, just putting on the dress, zipping it up. Look at it. Just look at the dress. Come on, somebody. This ain't even done. This is just the base of the dress. This ain't even the full dress, okay? This is just the base of the dress, and it's already, look. Do you see that train? I'm gonna need y'all to stop. Do you see the train? I'll see y'all later, guys. I'll see y'all later the next part. Bye.